How Mufundisi, so he's so touched that Jackson has passed on and he's now imposing his feelings towards abasebenzi bakhe athi we need to keep we have a moment of silence just to honor the passing of Jackson, who was our mayor, and abantu bathi no, wena you need to honor him. Beka umgulukudu, abulala abantu, atshontshela abantu, angabaphathi abantu kahle. So there is nothing honorable about that guy, and there's nothing that we are going to honor. We understand ukuthi when you feel so strongly about this is what Tim said. You feel strongly about it, you can go ahead and do it. Kodwa thina nje, we are not about that life. Athi lithi iBhayibheli engilifundayo ukuthi akunandaba ukuthi umuntu bekaphila impiloni kodwa thina, and people were not just having it. And then he ended up feeling that, you know what, there's no need for me to force them into succumbing to whatever I want them to do. It's best I just let it go and then I leave. He left, and in the morning you could tell that he was not okay, shouting at everyone. But then he took some time and went to see Umkhwanazi to see if he was doing okay. And then I think he wanted someone that could feel the same way that he was feeling, and unfortunately he found none. Because when he went to Mkhwanazi was telling him ukuthi lo muntu lo unenhliziyo embi, someone to come into my house afuna ukuzongibulala bulala nengane engakazalwa, you can tell ukuthi silwane bani leso. And which I think for some unknown reason it broke his heart, because he was also not giving a shoulder to cry on, because he didn't understand where he's coming from. But then remember, he came back from way back. No Jackson bayenze into ezingasile. So obviously he would catch feelings. He goes back home to his wife and try to explain to his wife, which, you know what, I don't understand why everyone is so not touched about Jackson. They feel nothing about him. Jackson, even if he didn't live the good life, but at the end of the day, umuntu, and people should have like babe towards him. And yeah, well, I guess the wife just didn't want to break his heart. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshin, Molweni, Minjani. Hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongona hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Jackson has passed on, and Umartha seems to be struggling to accept le ndaba leyo, because athi yena uyashada. Uncuka umficile lapha afake iroko elimhlophe, afaka ama-makeup and fixing spray, saying he's waiting for Jackson, and she does not understand why Jackson is late. Because now, how can he be late on their wedding day? He was supposed to be there on time. And Uncuka is like, what are you on about? Awazi yini ukuthi uJackson akasekho emhlabeni? Athi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ngoba uyeze langa lethu lemshado leli. Well, on to some more interesting news. Tim no namakhosikazi wakhe omabili, he had a meeting with the first wife and told her that he wants to be taking a second wife, which is something that they've already spoken about, but he just wanted to confirm if the first wife is aligning to what he's planning to do, and then she says yes. He then later on had a meeting with both of them, and then bese athi ke na mina ngifuna ukuthatha isithembu, bengifuna ukwazi ukucela umamkhulu in front of umamncane and find out if nonke niyavumelana ke bese soqhubeka ke siyenza introduction emndenini nasemadlozini. So they both agreed, and then uTiny was like, I'm a bit concerned what would happen if they don't accept that angeneleli lapho, because umuntu oshadayo yimina, so I'm the one that is getting married, so bona bayathanda abathandi ayibona lo. And then now on the other hand again, Petunia, she's a bit worried about everything that is going on. Ukuthi she's safe. Ahagumyeni wakhe before ahambe, but uThandiswa made it to work this morning, and then they asked her why did she come to work, and then she said, you know what, I don't have time to be sitting around. I don't have time to be sitting around. The only thing is that endlini yami kunegazi. Yebo uJackson wafika wangifica afuna ukubulala umyeni wami, ngamdubula ke, and then kwagcwala igazi phansi. So now bese uTiny ngizothi bamzwela ke esaluni bathi no, you know, manje iMartha cabanga athi uyashada, and then bese ke na kwenzakala, and then uLeroy was like, yeah, this could have been bad. uThandiswa athi ayikho into engimzwela yona. Why would your husband to be as emzini wami ebusuku nakhona afuna ukubulala ingane engakazalwa? Shuthini ke lokho? kushuthi unenhliziyo embi. Your heart is not pure. Bewukuphi indoda yakho masefuna ukwenza kanjalo. So ayikho into mina engikuzwela yona. Anyway, on the other hand, guys, I need to address kwenzakalani la. What is this? What is going on here? Ngicela ningitshele, guys, am I missing something? Like, why would you come from where you're coming from and leave such kind of a comment? Kani kwenzakalani? Ngiyonephi? Did I do something wrong? Because the last time I checked, YouTube allows us to review. It could be movies, series, whatever we are allowed to review. Is it a problem? Can somebody tell me if it's a problem?